Hello everyone, welcome back to my Python tutorial series. Myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquen. Today we are shifting to a very exciting and practical topic, web scraping in Python, right? We know the internet is filled with valuable information like quotes, sports score, stock market information, weather information, and also the healthcare information, and also much more information or data in different fields, right? But the question is that how do you collect those information automatically? The answer is web scraping. Okay, so today I will discuss web scraping in Python elaborately step by step. So let's get started. Hello friends, today I will discuss web scraping in Python, right? What is web scraping? Web scraping is a powerful technique that allows Python to read and extract useful information directly from websites, right? Now I will discuss web scraping elaborately in Python. Web scraping is a technique used to automatically extract useful information from websites using programs or scripts. Okay, it allows us to collect data from the internet instead of copying it manually. Okay, how web scraping works? Python sends a request to a web page using requests module. The website returns HTML code. Web scraper reads HTML and extracts specific data using the BeautifulSoup, this module. Okay, and then the extracted data is saved in CSV, Excel or database. For CSV is concerned, the module name is CSV module. Okay, and the tool used in Python to do this web scraping, some libraries are important. One is the requests, because Python provides amazing library. One is the requests. This requests module is used to fetch the web pages, means download the web page HTML. Second one is the BeautifulSoup. This is the module is used to extract from the HTML, means parse HTML and extract required data from HTML. And the third one is CSV module. This module is used to store the extracted information into a CSV file, means save the script data into a CSV file, right? And now I am moving into the Python IDE to write the Python code for web scraping. Okay, now I am just within my Python IDE, and here I will write the Python code for web scraping. Okay, at first we import the modules which are provided by the Python. Python provides amazing libraries. One is the requests, other is the BeautifulSoup, other is the CSV. The requests module is used to fetch the web pages. BeautifulSoup module is used to extract the information from the HTML, and CSV module is used to store the extracted information into a CSV file. Okay, so just write in that way: import requests, the first module. Second module is BeautifulSoup. So just write from bs4 import BeautifulSoup. Okay, and then the another module is import CSV. Okay, now we just write the URL, because which website we want to fetch, means which website web page we want to fetch, we just write the URL or the address of the website. So just write URL equal, and within double quote just write in that way the total website address, https / quotes .toscript.com. Okay, so we want to fetch this particular website's web page data. Okay, and then we write in that way res equal, and then just use this module requests dot get and send this URL as the argument. Okay, use this URL where actually the website we want to fetch their web pages informations. Then we send the HTTP request to fetch the information from the web page. Okay, and now we pass the HTML content, so that's why we're using this soup equal, and then just write beautiful soup and send as parameter res dot text comma, and within double quote just write HTML dot parser. Okay, actually this beautiful soup is the HTML parser or scripper from BS4 used to find elements in the page, means the website is already given, so on that web page is concerned we are talking about. So here what happened, we create a beautiful soup object called soup, and by parsing the HTML text with the Python's building the HTML dot parser. Okay, and then we just write in that way q underscore a equal, and then just call soup dot find underscore all and send as parameter div, and then send class underscore equal, because why use this class underscore, because class is already defining a Python as a keyword, that's why we're using this parameter as a class underscore, and send as an argument just write as a quote. Okay, and then we close it, and the next line we just write here, actually we use here what for the find out the code blocks, because this particular website contains lots of code with the author name and some tags is there. Okay, now we prepare a CSV file where we store the extracted data. Okay, so we just write in that way with open, and then just write in that way, suppose we put the CSV file name, we put some CSV file name, suppose write the file name is q underscore data dot csv. Okay, double colon comma, and another parameter we sent w, and then we write new line and send just double quote open close, and then we write encoding. Okay, and just put the value is utf-8-sid, and then we end it and then write as file, put a colon, and then we write in that way writer equal csv dot writer and send this file. Okay, and then write writer dot write row. Okay, and then send, and now we just send the argument in that way, within double quote we just write here quote, and then we send another author, and then we send another is a tags. Okay, because this column are just provided within this CSV file, and then close this square bracket and then close this parenthesis. Okay, so now we extract this code author tags one by one from this website's web page is concerned. Okay, so that's why we just write for quote in q underscore a colon, and then just write in that way text equal, just write quote dot find, and then just write within double quote span, and then send another parameter class underscore equal, within double quote just write text, then parenthesis close dot text dot strip. Okay, and the next one we just write in that way author equal quote dot find, and then send the first parameter small within double quote, then set class underscore equal, within double quote just write author double quote end parenthesis close dot text dot strip. Okay, and the last one just write tags equal, within square bracket we just write tag dot text for tag in quote dot find underscore all, and then send as an argument at first within double quote a, comma, and then just write plus underscore equal within double quote tag, double quote end, parenthesis close, the square bracket close, right? And the next line we just write writer dot write row, and now just send in a square bracket, just write text, comma, author, comma, within double quote, just write comma, space, double quote end, and then dot, and then just write join and send the tags, parenthesis close, the square bracket close, parenthesis close, right? And then just write in the outside, just write print. If the data is successfully inserted, then we just print it in the console, data successfully script and saved into the file name we provide here, q underscore data dot csv. Okay. Now what happened for this website is concerned, if you just go to this website, we see the 3 column we can fetch from there. So just to the browser and just paste here in the URL and just press enter. So we want to fetch this web page information. So this is the quote is given, some author name is given, the Albert Einstein, the tags is given, in that way lots of information there. So one after another it will fetch from this website. So our code is actually working on this particular, means these websites, and have this web page, and this web page is just fetching from there. Okay, so this is our actually the main concern about the program. The website is there, the website is given to there, and we want to fetch from there the data, right? Now we save the file. Let's go to file and save it. Suppose we save it in a particular folder, E drive, and suppose the folder name we provide J example, right? Suppose we put the name of the file web underscore scripting, and the extension is already known, .py. So in that folder actually .csv, the file will be created. Okay, so now we run the code, just press F5. Okay, no module is given, the error is given, what? The error is given no module name request. So we want to install this, so that's why we go to this our command prompt, and here we just typed in that way pip install requests. This module is need to be installed to do the operations. So it will download it and then it will be installed within that. And the same way we want to install this BeautifulSoup, so just write pip install BeautifulSoup, this module. So it will extract the data and download in our system, and then we can run the code, because the requests and the BeautifulSoup is not inbuilt module. Okay, typed by mistake. The correct package name is BeautifulSoup 4, not BeautifulSoup. Okay, so now it will collect the data and download complete is there. Okay, now we just again run the code, so just press F5. So it will take some time. Class underscore node is defined. This error is given. Why? Because we put here some mistakes. Yes, we don't put the plus, should push the equal sign. Again run, press F5. Write is defined, not is defined, is a writer. Yes, writer should be given. Yes, it's a writer, not a write. Typing mistake, so writer dot write row. Again run it, press F5. Yes, data successfully script and save into q underscore data dot csv. So just go to this particular folder, the E drive, the J example. So we just find out this q, yes, q underscore data is, this is the CSV file. Just see what about the code already given in that website, the author name and the tags just come in this particular file in the CSV file format, right? So this is the way how to do the web scraping in Python. So this is the way how to do the web scraping in Python, right? I hope you have understood today's topic. Today's topic is very interesting and very powerful for Python is concerned, because they are using these 3 different particular module, and Python provides this amazing module, the requests, the BeautifulSoup and the CSV file. These 3 modules needed for do this web scraping. The requests is used to fetch the web page. The BeautifulSoup is used to extract information from the HTML, and the CSV is used to store the extracted information within the CSV file. I hope you have understood today's topic. You have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical RPN for more videos. Today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.